Okay, doing a video on an ABN screw extractor set, and let's take a look at what we got here. I'm going to get the old raminator out here. Get out of there. Oh! Here we go. Okay. I'm going to have a little fun with this thing. I'm trying not to cut my arm off. Come on, baby. Alright, here we go. Let's get the plastic off here and see what we got inside here. I'll try to explain how these things are used. Oh, come on. Oh, once again. Okay, so this is what we got on the box. It's on the front. It's a little set. Look at the back here. There it is. All right, let's go ahead and open it up, try and see what all it comes with. And here it is. Pretty compact. And what screw sizes? Let's take a look here. So we've got 5 drill bits. 1/8 inch, 3/16, quarter, 5/16, 11/32. Extractor pins, 10 drill guides, and 5 extractor nuts. So the way I understand this is that you're going to have these guides, these drill guides, and what they allow you to do, these drill guides, blow molded cases. Okay, so what this allows you to do is this, we'll sit over the fastener, okay, and this side should sit over the fastener. So let's say you've got a fastener, it's all chewed up and you can't remove it. You would set this over the top of the fastener, and then you would use that as a drill guide. Let's see what size this is recommending. Okay, so drill 3/16. Okay, so the larger diameter end here would fit over the fastener. We go to 3/16 here on the drill. And then that would allow you to go ahead and drill through. And what this is going to allow you to do here, this guide allows you to keep the drill bit centered onto the fastener. Because what you want to do is you want to drill in through the center of the fastener head into the fastener. Okay, so you can hold that with a wrench if you want. Me, I would use vice grips on this, a small pair of needle nose vice grips to hold that against the fastener and then drill down into your fastener head. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2 is then you would use your extractor and you would go inside with the extractor into the hole that you just created with your drill bit. Okay, and then to extract that extractor, you tap this into the hole, into the hole that you made into your fastener, and then you'd slide this collar over. Okay, so this collar was going to grip the extractor so that you can turn it with a wrench. Okay, so if you look, see how this goes. See that? So you slide this together. You use the guide to drill your hole. You tap the on top of the fastener, and then you're going to take your remover here and you're going to tap that into the hole, and you're going to use this guide here to remove it. The screw. Pretty neat. Not a bad idea. And, you know, I know they got the conical screw removers where you drill a hole and then you use the conical ones. They're cone shaped. The problem I have with those is they usually snap off because they're cone shaped, you know. And this looks like it might work a little bit better. It's going to have a little bit of a stronger shank on it because it's a straight shank, right? On those conical ones, you can only get them in so far. In this one, you can get it in, you know, get quite a bit of meat into the center of the screw fastener hole that you just created to grip the fastener to remove it. So this should be quite helpful in those really stubborn to remove bolts, like exhaust bolts that get snapped off, and head bolts and whatever have you. Should be a lot easier to get at those and access those to remove them with this set. It's fairly easy to use. Just follow the simple instructions. So there it is. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And these aren't too expensive, so come in handy. This is going to come in handy. All right, so there it is. ABN, auto body now, screw, extractor, drill, and guide set. There you go. Over and out.